Hey guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and I'm with Alex from Drone Rescue Systems, here to talk a little bit about their product. Alex, tell us a little bit about what your company does.
Thanks for stopping by, first of all. Our company is called Drone Rescue Systems, and we're making automatic parachute solutions for drones. So we're saving the drone in case there's an issue before it crashes, before it hurts anyone, or before it damages your sensors or your expensive equipment. That's what we're here for.
You. As a drone pilot, I have personally crashed 4 drones in the last 7 years, so definitely something I should have come into contact a little sooner. Tell me, what's the compatibility of this with other consumer or commercial drones? Can you put it on anything?
You basically can. We have standardized products, especially for DJI drones, as you can see, but also we work with other manufacturers. We do custom integrations, so if you let us know what drone you want to have it on, we're going to make it work.
Got you. Awesome. I'll definitely be taking your contact info for myself later. Where do you guys find that this product is most used in? Is it certain environments or is it pilot air? Where are you guys finding that your product is most useful?
Especially useful it is for drone delivery, as this becomes more and more important, and drones are operated over people, which means there is more danger for people that are involved in those drone operations, and that's the people who we want to protect. So drone delivery, I would say, very important for us.
Awesome, yeah. We definitely are seeing a lot more of drone delivery, especially here at Exponential this year. So glad to see people are thinking about us down here on the ground. What about anybody of our viewers? How can they get in contact with you if they want to save their drones or just learn more about your company?
They can first of all go on our website. It's dronerescue.com, or shoot us an email. Stop by our booth. Most importantly, when you're here, that would be great. Otherwise, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always available. I'm here in the United States, representative here in the States. We're based in Austria, actually, but we're always available.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Alex. We appreciate it.
Have a great
day. Thank you.